If you have not started your NEET-PG 2025 revision, this video is for you.
If you are unable to solve the entire question bank, this video is for you.
If you are afraid of giving GTs, this video is for you.
If you are searching for the right mentor, this video is for you.
Hi everyone. So in this video, I will talk about that how effectively you can utilize your last 2 months for NEET-PG 2025 exam. Now we know that the exam is on 15th June and we have approximately 2 months left for the exam. Lot of revision schedules have been given to the student who have started in the past and they are doing really very well. However, we are constantly getting lot of messages that sir, we could not follow your previous schedules. Please tell us how we can do best use of these 2 months. So in this video, we will talk about that what we can do. There is another set of students who have approached us. They have finished the internship right now and now they want to prepare for the exam. So ideally, if you have prepared or finished the internship now and you have not studied much, ideally you should prepare for the NEET-PG 2026 exam. But if you really want to see that in how much water you have and you want to give your best attempt for NEET-PG 2025 exam for these next 2 months, this video is for you.
Thank you so much for inviting. We'll go one by one. We'll talk about everything you require for cracking your NEET-PG 2025. So just a disclaimer before we begin, this video is focused for NEET-PG and not INICET. So if NEET-PG is your primary goal, only then go ahead watch this video. So first and foremost thing is,
I also want to make another disclaimer. This video is for those students who are struggling with a schedule at this time. Guys, if you have already made your schedule, you are following a schedule, please keep following that. If you are following a schedule by any other teacher, please following that, because what matters is to follow a schedule. Who has made it is secondary. What you are following, keep on following that.
right. So let's say if you are starting now, and we had got requests from many people who had missed our earlier schedule. So that is the reason we are creating this new timetable. And this is a timetable in which we have started from 17th April and we have kept till 11th May as slot 1. Your first revision or your whichever revision you are doing, first structured revision I would say for the NEET-PG examination. Then we have given last 5 days for preparing for INICET and just revising it in the 19 subjects in the last 5 days, and you give just INICET as a GT. That's all. Then 18th May onwards till 7th June, there will be second slot of revision of all the 19 subjects, and last 7 days you will revise all the volatile topics and finally appear in NEET-PG 2025.
One important point that I want to mention here is that this is the only time that we have. Obviously, once you will be reading, it is gonna come to your mind that how I can complete everything in these days. But this is the time that we have, and that is why we have to limit our resources into the way so that everything is covered as per the timetable.
Now, many of you asked me that how will you be able to complete, let's say, pediatrics in one day or maybe anatomy in one day. But the fact is that that's all the time you have. And second thing which I say is that if you have a overwhelming target and if you achieve just 50-60%, it is better than having an underwhelming, very easy target and achieving even 90% of that. So this is your timetable starting from 17th of April. Yes, there is a 16th April GT on Marrow which you can attempt, I would say, which will give you a pre-preparation level of yours. And then when you will improve upon it, there is a 14th May National NEET-PG mock on Marrow platform itself which you can appear and then know that how much you have improved in the next 20-25 days. Now, something interesting about this timetable is that what I believe that humans are imperfect people. So you don't plan to fail, you fail to make a plan. And in this plan, I have ensured that I know that you will be able to hit only 60 or 70% of your target. So I have kept every 8th day as an unstructured day in which you will leave it for the leftover topics. Every 7th day is a re-revision day. in which you will be reading whatever you have read in the past 6 days. Over to you, sir.
And those who are already following the auto fast track schedule, we have tried that this schedule matches to some extent with that particular schedule, so that you do not get that particular FOMO that a new schedule has come.
Right. So this was as far as the schedule is and timetable is concerned. So this you can follow irrespective of whichever platform you are studying from, or whatever resource you are using and studying and revising from. And this is something which you can just get it printed and pin it on your study wall and try to follow it. Now the next thing which we'll be moving to is something more important. That is that we all know that just by merely watching 1,000 hours of videos, you are not gonna get selected. The main thing which is gonna get you selected is self-study and repeated revision. And the 3 pillars which will help you study in a directed manner is the pillars of discipline. Point number 1, timetable, which you would have already had it by now, which I have already provided. Now, most of you, more than 80% of you will not be able to stick to that timetable. And for that, we require the other 2 pillars, which are mentorship and testing. Coming to mentorship. So, sir was my mentor in my PG preparation, and I am very glad to share that he has been mentoring thousands of students online, offline, throughout decades now. So, this is one of the screenshot of sir's mentorship program, in which from daily 8:45 a.m. to 9 a.m. he has a Zoom session in which he mentors and he starts a day on a good note for all the aspirants. And after that, you have this schedule completely, you are full with josh and you start your day on a very good note. Sir, more about mentorship program you would like to tell?
So mentorship is basically so that you can start your day at 9 a.m. It is basically to build a positive energy within you. It is given to you so that the things are in your control. You should be able to perform as per that. I believe in a philosophy that control the controllable, don't think too much about uncontrollable. So start your day with the things that these are the things in my hand, so how I can make best use of these time.
Right. And there have been tremendous improvements of students in the past few years with sir's mentorship program. That is some of the messages I'll just read. Otto has helped me a lot in my journey from 34,000 rank. This doctor has improved his rank from 34,000 to 1,815. Similarly, this is another success story who improved his rank from 20,000 to 3,500. And we all say that join the Otto mentorship and testing batch, the ENDGAME batch which we are launching right now. If you are aiming a top 5,000 rank, if you are aiming a maybe top 100 rank, this program is maybe not meant for you. You already know what to read. You are already revising it well. Another review, a member of Otto who secured 659 rank in NEET. So yes, this is also possible. Now, let's say if you were giving 1 GT per week, you would be attempting maybe 180 to 200 questions. However, if you daily practice a set of 40 questions in a day, for 7 days it is 250, 300 questions. And we already have included the Marrow GT schedule according in this timetable itself. So that is a win-win situation for you guys. Now, what we are doing special is that in the morning 8:45 a.m. to 9 a.m. you attend sir's and Praveen sir's mentorship Zoom session, and after that you're charged for the entire day. Every evening 7 p.m. you will be having a 45 minutes 40 questions NEET-PG directed exam. In this test, this will be a time bounded test which will expire at 7:45. Mind it, you cannot re-attempt it, and it has been kept purposefully like this so that you have a hard stop. And I myself will be selecting questions which will be of highest importance as far as NEET-PG is concerned. I'll include all the important PYQs, all the important PYTs in this test. After giving this test, 7:45 a.m. till 8:30 or 9 p.m. Just review it and get to know your weak topics. And after that, have your dinner and then strengthen your weak topics, and you're done with that subject for that day. And that is how you will be daily waking up motivated, studying the entire day, giving a test, getting to know your weak topics, and then have the night for reviewing your weak topics. And that will be a continuous program in this endgame testing and mentorship batch. Sir, I am very happy to share that we have been conducting these tests and I have been selecting these questions, and there have been tremendous positive reviews. There is a student, Dr. Tejas. He secured 135 correct questions, and earlier he never used to score more than 100 correct questions in his Marrow GTs. There is another student, Dr. Jayashri. She also says that the quality of questions is too good, and she first time secured 140 questions correct in her grand test. Similarly, the many messages, I am so happy that the work I have been doing is being appreciated. The selection of question is top notch and is a game changer. And similar is the messages of so many people. So over to you, sir.
So one point that I want to clarify here, that these papers are being selected from Marrow platform. So you need to have an active subscription of Marrow if you want to give these tests. We are not creating the questions for you. It is only being selected. And just to again clarify, Aman is directly selecting these questions on the basis of the likelihood of them which are simulating NEET exam. Because a lot of time people say that few questions are easy, few questions are difficult. So they are being selected in a way so that in the minimum time, a maximum impact can be created for you. Once again, I am repeating, you need to have an active subscription of Marrow, which is not included into this particular program, if you want to attempt these tests.
Now you can download the Auto Learning Expert Guidance app on Play Store, or if you have an Apple device, just download the My Institute app and put the app code as AEBNF, and then you can enroll in Auto Endgame NEET-PG 2025 Mentorship and Testing course. After enrolling into this, you will go to the chat section and you will be added to this Auto Endgame NEET-PG group. In this group, you will be receiving the daily Zoom sessions exclusive links and the links of the tests at 7 a.m. And this is something which will keep you go throughout your next 2 months remaining for NEET-PG and help you secure a great rank. Over to you, sir.
So guys, all I will say is that most important aspect in your preparation is discipline. Sometimes this discipline is inbuilt. Sometimes you need to have somebody else that can help you in staying on the track. If you can stay on track yourself, that is the best thing that can happen. If you need our help, do let us know. We will try our level best, because it gives us also a satisfaction that because of us, somebody's life has got changed. That's all from our side. Thank you very much for watching this.
And just a last disclaimer before you join this course, there will be challenging times ahead, but we will be there with you throughout those challenging times. Just as Rajat sir and Praveen sir will be coming daily to give you those mentorship bouts in morning 8:45 a.m. to 9 a.m. We also expect you to give your 100% daily throughout the time remaining. Second thing is that this is especially NEET-PG focus. So if you are aiming for NEET-PG exclusively, only then join it. Third thing, which I already clarified, there will be no recording of the Zoom session of the morning or no retest which will be possible. Point number 4, you need to have an active Marrow subscription. So I hope this program will help you tremendously improve your rank and get your dream branch in your dream medical college. Wish you all the very, very best. So self-study with mentorship with Rajat sir and Praveen sir, timetable and testing by me will be that ultimate combo which will help you secure your dream medical college and your dream branch. Thank you so much for joining us, and thank you so much, sir, for inviting me.
God bless you all.